2023 seems to be the worst year, right? Let's take a look at the next graph. What do you see? Each previous year is divided into two categories: year till date and remaining year. What does it mean? Year till date shows sales number of January 1st till today's date for each year. The blue bar gives us the remaining sales number of that year. Compare both of the graphs and see how powerful it is to categorize each year and analyze the numbers. I am going to show you how you can achieve the same result. Let's get started. To get a year till date category, go to Data View. Create a new column in the date table. Let's call it YTD. We define a variable now. Date selection is equal to date function. We need three values here. Year will be the year number of that particular row. We will take month and day from today's date. That means for today's date, month is 6, day is 29. It will give us row specific results. For instance, all 2021 rows, date selection variable result is 6/29/2021. For 2022 rows, the result will be 6/29/2022. Now we put an if condition in the return field. If date is less than date selection, write YTD. Otherwise, rest year. What did we achieve here? It divides any given year into two parts. One is all the dates between starting of the year and today. Second part is between today and the end of the year. By today, we mean the month and day number of today. Your job is done. Now go to report view. On your existing visual, just add legend of Y till date. Copy the visual and paste it. Remove the legend on this visual. Check both of the visual. With our legend, we can easily compare this year's sales numbers with previous years. Also, we have got a nice view of how the previous year's sales of the remaining days looks like. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Like this video and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.